Hello everyone. To solve this type of equation, first we need to check the numerator and then the denominator. In this case, the numerator we have 3 divided by 3 equals 1 divided by 9 equals 9. So we have 1 divided by 9 over 3, which is equals, we can write it as 1/9 divided by 3. So in this case, if you know, this bar can be written also as a division. So to visually have it easier. And here we can apply the KCF rule, which K stands for keep the first. So we are keeping the first. C stands for change the sign. We're changing the sign. And F stands for flip the second. In our case, we have 1/3. And the result would be 1/27. Here we go, guys. This is the correct answer. And we have 1/27. Thank you very much, guys. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Ciao, ciao.